Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael, and this is Lucky Football Platform. This is an anti-football correct score platform, and as I'm talking to you guys, I just joined a few days ago and I'm in V1, and this is amazing. Now I'm going to show you guys practical steps to make 1,000 naira daily. That's all this video is all about. If you go to Google and say 20,000 naira to a dollar, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get about 48 thereabouts. So we give or take, I'm going to use $50 in this video. So I'll go to my calculator site, and I'm going to do 5% daily and how you can make massive money. So if you have to transfer USDT and all of that, so you're going to arrive at $50. So let's just do $50 and then 1 month. Just make it 1 month, and then we click on calculator. So this is a full breakdown on total investment in 1 month. So from this breakdown, initial money will be $50. Today, as I'm doing this video, is already 2 April, so we're going to end on the 2nd of May, and business day 30 days. That's both Sundays, Mondays, so every day, and it's 5%. So you see, percentage profit is 332, while total interest earned will be 166 US dollars. So investment value will be 216. So let me give you guys the breakdown here. So day one, we are earning $2.50. The balance will be, your balance will go back to 52. Day two will be 53. Day 1 to 3 will be $57. As you can see, on the last day, which is May, your earnings is going to be, balance will be $216. You understand now? So $216 currently now. So your total earning will be 166 according to this calculator. So guys, now let's go to Binance and see how much 166 is going to be. Or let's do the math calculator here first for go to Binance. So 216 minus 50, 166, correct? So if you go to Binance now, let's see how much Binance peer-to-peer is all about today, as I'm doing this video currently now, so that we can understand how to make this 1,000 naira daily. Now, for doing compounding interest, you know that definitely the price is going to shoot. So guys, this is a peer-to-peer Binance. So now, peer-to-peer Binance, you are going to be seeing 580 if you have to buy and all of that, 580, 590. So let's assume we are selling at the end of 30 days, 580. So we're going to leave it at 585. So 585 at the end of 30 days, because so 166 times 585. Did you see? So it's even going to be more than estimated amount at the end. So 20k. So your profit, guys, your profit is going to be 87k at the end of the month. 87k at the end of the month. This platform, guys, is risky, but I tell you, run it for the next 30 days and maximize the opportunity. Don't put your life savings, guys. Just put in what you can afford to lose. 20,000 is what I recommend, and you earn 1,000 naira on a daily basis, 1k daily with 20k investment. 20k investment. So you see this account now. I'm going to leave it for 30 days, and I'll be updating you guys what I earn on a daily basis. If I go to trade now, if I'm not mistaken, if I go to trade, you're going to see what I've earned today so far. I earn about 600 on, okay. This was the last trade. This is my profit, 400. Before that I had 500,000. Before it went to 19, it was 130 something. So but when it went to 19, as of this night, you see my profit is 458. So imagine I'm earning 1,000 naira in a day. So day income is 596 because of this and because of this. Tomorrow I already have 19,000, closely 20,000 naira. I'll be making 1,000 naira on a daily basis. This is not recruiting yet. If I start recruiting, there will be much to it. So guys, 1k daily is guaranteed on this platform. So what do? Just pick in your 20k after 30 days. If you don't make 90,000, I guarantee you make 50,000 naira, 50k after 30 days. 30 days, guys. Let's run this before anything happens. Guys, if you like this channel, like, click, comment, and then see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.